the previous lecture, you got some idea what you're going to learn from each and every section of this course. Here in this lecture, I will discuss with you about what is affiliate marketing. If you have done research about marketing on internet, then you will definitely come across the word affiliate marketing. You may not have explored the term or understood what it is. Do not get frustrated if you do not know anything about affiliate marketing. In the following points, I will explain the points to make you understand about it. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest forms of marketing where you refer someone to any online product, and when that person buys the product based on your recommendation, you will receive a commission. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance and based on advertising that pays for performance in advertising. In this type of advertising or marketing, the purchaser pays the advertiser only when the results of the advertising are measurable. This type of advertising becoming more prominent with the spread of internet and few tools like Google Analytics. In affiliate marketing, the company hires one or more affiliates. Those affiliates do the marketing in net. Based on the number of visitors or customers you bring, the profit is measured, because you can make money online only by promoting your products and website. And also you will think that affiliate marketing is harmful or illegal. No, not at all. It is neither harmful or illegal. You will simply use the particular link which is provided to you rather than a direct link to link site. Do you know how to find new products to promote? Before promoting any product, you should search for the products in marketplaces. You can browse your niche and see the top performing program. Selecting perfect niche makes your affiliate marketing successful. After checking it, you have to promote your new product. Join on affiliate programs which can increase your sales. It just takes a little time to plan your strategy, but you can earn more money, and then select the partners that will have the greatest impact in your business. You may think, what are affiliate marketing sites? I will tell you some of the important sites which are very popular nowadays, that is Amazon, JVZoo, eBay and Clickbank. Among this, I'm gonna explain you how to be successful affiliate through Amazon. In the following lectures, you come to know about Amazon clearly. I hope by now you can understand what is affiliate marketing. In my next lecture, I'm gonna explain you about Amazon clearly.